She left him when he was poor, then met him again years later. Emma and Jack met when they were students at a small university. They had no money, but they were very happy. Jack always said, "One day I will become successful. I promise." Emma smiled, but deep inside she was tired. She wanted a better life. Nice clothes, nice restaurants. Not cheap coffee and small rooms. After graduation, life became harder. Jack worked day and night, but his salary was very low. Emma started to feel unhappy. One evening she said, "Jack, I love you, but love is not enough. I want more from life." Jack looked at her and asked, "Do you mean you want to leave me?" Emma was silent. That was her answer. She left him. Jack was broken. For weeks he did not talk to anyone. But one day he decided, "I will prove that I am not a failure." He worked harder than ever. He learned new skills. He failed many times. But he never gave up. 5 years passed. Emma was now working in a big company. She had money, nice clothes, and a good life. But she felt empty. One evening, she went to a business event. Many rich and successful people were there. Suddenly, she saw a familiar face. It was Jack. He was confident, well-dressed. People were listening to him. He was the CEO of a tech company. Emma's heart stopped. After the event, she walked to him. "Jack, is that really you?" He smiled politely. "Yes, it's me. Long time no see." They talked for a few minutes. It felt strange, but also familiar. Emma finally said, "I'm sorry for leaving you. I was wrong." Jack looked at her calmly and said, "You were not wrong. You chose the life you wanted, and I chose to become stronger." Emma asked quietly, "Do you think we can try again?" Jack smiled softly. "I will always respect our past. But you left when I needed you most. Now I need someone who stays, not someone who comes back." Emma felt tears in her eyes. She understood the lesson. Sometimes love leaves, and when it comes back, the door is already closed.